If you're a musician, you probably know the big deal about this, and it is to find jobs. A lot of musicians are constantly on the lookout for the next gig to do because once one gig assignment is over, you gotta find another gig to do, and Fiverr is the natural place for you to get a bunch of gigs, a bunch of jobs that you can get every single day without having to market yourself, without having to look for jobs every day because the jobs are going to come to you. To be successful in Fiverr, and especially when it comes to the music part of Fiverr itself, there's a few things you need to do, and you need to do them well in one specific order. So let me go into it and show you exactly how it's done. First off, you need to specialize in something. You need to actually go and become the master at whatever niche you're in. So if you're a mixer, if you're somebody who does voiceovers very well, if you like to do sound effects, or even if you're a singer or a songwriter, you gotta specialize in it, and you gotta create the best possible job that you can do in your gig. The reason for that is quite simple. You want people to come back and keep on ordering from you. The first thing you want to do is create about 5 or 6 different jobs that you can actually do on Fiverr. There's going to be a few gigs that you could do. Make sure you specialize in every single one of them and make each of them different. The next thing you want to do is dominate that specific field, which means you want to sell your gigs. You want to give them the most you can for the lowest possible price. The reason why you do this, you want to get as many jobs as you can when you're just starting out on Fiverr, especially when it comes for you to creating the music itself. After you do this, what's going to happen is you're going to keep on receiving orders, and Fiverr will keep on giving you extra work every time you complete some of them. In fact, they might even feature you on the first page, and for you to be featured, you gotta create a bunch of excellent gigs, and you gotta get excellent reviews as well. I suggest about 300 or maybe 400 different reviews would definitely get you on the front page of Fiverr music gigs. The reason why it takes so many to get to the top in the music field is because it's very competitive. A lot of musicians know they can make some serious money making music gigs on Fiverr itself. Not only they can get $5 with the gig extras, they can make a lot more. Some of the gigs are starting at $100, and some of those guys keep on getting people who are buying their gigs for that amount as well, which actually shows you Fiverr is an excellent place for you to get as much money as if you would be traveling to a live concert and actually trying to tutor instead. So it is an excellent alternative for people who are very good at what they're doing. So before you can work all the way up to $100, you want to start at $5. You want to do a great job. You want to get extra orders. Once you keep on getting so much work that it's much harder for you to keep up with the orders, this means it's time for you to increase the minimum price. So either increase the minimum price to 25 or make the orders themselves much more shorter and force people to buy the gig extras. So not only you can make extra money, but it will also force people to order less gigs from you, because now the price is going to be much steeper and you're going to get less clients, but the clients are going to know that they're paying for quality, so they're more likely to pay extra money because now you establish yourself in the niche that you're doing in Fiverr itself. So this is very, very important for you to first establish yourself, and then the money is gonna come later. So first concentrate on doing the best possible job, getting the reviews, and after that you'll be concentrating on getting paid a lot more. That's how it goes on Fiverr itself. And how do I know this? Because I did it myself and I seen it work for me. And if I could do this, you can do this as well.